For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Make cooking easier, faster, and healthier. With a 6-quart capacity, this air fryer offers enough space to cook family-sized meals while saving kitchen counter space. Its advanced TurboBlaze technology delivers a powerful 3,600 RPM fan speed and reaches temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring crispy and juicy results with minimal effort. One of the key advantages of this air fryer is its ability to cook with up to 95% less oil compared to traditional frying methods. This means you can enjoy your favorite fried foods without excessive fat and calories, making it a healthier choice for any household. It gives users the flexibility to cook various dishes. The 9-in-1 functionality includes roasting, baking, drying, reheating, cooking frozen foods, broiling, and proofing dough. Whether you're making crispy fries, juicy chicken, or dehydrating fruit, this air fryer delivers consistent results. This innovative feature helps deliver quick, even cooking while maintaining excellent texture. The powerful 5-speed fan system ensures air circulates efficiently, creating evenly cooked meals without the need for constant monitoring. This is particularly beneficial for busy individuals who need to prepare meals quickly on weeknights. It makes it perfect for families or meal prepping. Despite its large capacity, the compact design ensures it doesn't take up unnecessary counter space. Whisper-quiet operation. Unlike many air fryers that can be noisy, this COSORI model operates at less than 53 dB, making it one of the quieter options available. Whether you're cooking early in the morning or late at night, it won't disrupt the household. User-friendly features. The air fryer includes a customizable preheat function that adjusts time based on temperature, offering flexibility for different cooking needs. Users can choose whether to preheat for optimal results or skip it for convenience. Additionally, the dishwasher-safe non-stick cooking basket and detachable accessories make cleanup quick and hassle-free. Included extras. Every purchase includes a user manual, a 30-recipe cookbook created by professional chefs, and a cooking chart for easy reference. These resources ensure you get the most out of your air fryer, making meal preparation more accessible even for beginners. Final thoughts. Its combination of TurboBlaze technology, large capacity, and user-friendly design makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're frying, roasting, or baking, this air fryer delivers consistent, high-quality results while reducing cooking time and oil usage. With its professional-grade versatility and thoughtful design, this air fryer is a practical choice for anyone looking to enjoy delicious, healthier meals with minimal effort.